Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Good morning. It's a rainy Christmas Eve, y'all. Here on Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. You know. All right. So, so it's drizzling right now. I don't know if y'all can see the raindrops or whatever. You know. Yep. It's a rainy Christmas Eve and stuff like that. You know. Yep. Enjoy the day. You know. Just for now. Okay. But anyway, y'all. Uh, my favorite time of year. Like, well, what a day. Christmas Eve and stuff like that, you know. And and and, and, and there's a man and his dog playing fetch in the rain, you know. So will he still be out here doing that when it rains hard? I I know the football players be playing in the rain when it rains, rain or shine, they'll be out there. Long as they don't get sick as a dog, you know. Especially playing in snow, you know. Uh huh. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my gameplay a little later. Okay. All right. So that's all to it, y'all. Okay. Yeah. All right. So anyway, I don't know who gonna watch this though. I wish I could spend my Christmas with my girl Erica, you know, and our sons AJ and Zelly, Kenzel and Alan, or should I say Alan and Kenzel, you know. Yeah, cause me and Alan is good friends, you know. I've always wanted to meet Alan, and I'm very happy I did. Okay, all right. So it may rain hard though. If it rains hard out here, I'll be out later. Now go to Instagram live. Okay, all right.